How crazy is this, guys, that you can predict the next 5 to 6 games from just looking at your statistics? So walk with me as I do it. The next 4 games from here will be the 2+ green. So watch the next 4 games. So I'm starting off by staking that the first game, the first 4 games will be a 2+ green. So watch, this is my first stake. Just pay attention and count with me. It is going to be mind-blowing and it is accurate. So this is our first win. So watch, the second one is also going to be a 2+ green. Pay attention. I'm going to stake that the next game a 2+ green. And if you know me by now, you should know that I am a risk taker. I'm going all in with this pattern. So watch, the first 4 games going to be 2+ green. So watch. So if this is your first time of stopping by, this is Cindy Virtual. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're a subscriber, my heart goes to you. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, and thank you for making the world a better place. So count with me. This is the second time. So watch as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So that is a second win. The third one, we're also going to be staking the same thing, going all in, rolling over, and it's going to be a 3+ green. I am working with a pattern, and this pattern is very, very, very accurate. It is easy to work with once you lay your hand on it and you get the pointers that you are supposed to look for. Once you see them, you are very, very good to go. So watch, I'm staking again. I'm going all in. 2+ green will be the next outcome. Just wait, watch and see. It's going to be 2+ green. Remember, we are counting, and that was the second. So this will be the third win, right? This will be the third win. So watch with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? And that was a win, people. The next one, definitely going to be a 2+ green. Watch. Even looking at my statistics, I'm able to figure out what the next one will be. The next one is also going to be a 2+ green. But let's stick with this for now. It is definitely going to be a 2+ green, because this pattern works by just you looking at your statistics, and you can work with other patterns just to figure it out. It is not complex to work with as long as you're following this pattern. So watch now. 2+ green will be the next outcome. Just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? And that's a win. That is how it works. You can predict it by merely looking at it. Once you log in, you have what it takes to be able to figure out how many draws will come out in the next 5 outcomes. So the next one will be a 2+ green also, because working with this pattern, it's supposed to occur 2+ green. I have a tutorial video, a detailed tutorial video with every guide you need to figure out what's next game to occur. So this is very, very accurate. You can WhatsApp the number on your screen. You can also send a message on Telegram for more details on how you can lay your hands on this. So what this outcome, it's going to be a 2+ green also. So after this, the next one from this, looking at it, the next one will be a 2+ blue. Yes, 2+ blue. Watch. The next game will be a 2+ blue. Don't forget where we started from. We started from 100k, and now look at what our balance is. This will be a 2+ blue, and after this, that will be all for this video. So this is just to show you how accurate this is. Don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, all right? And by doing that, the world becomes a better place. Just pay attention with me and watch. 2+ blue. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? And that's a win. So that's it for this video, people. Do well to call, chat that number up on your screen. You can also call it for more information on this particular pattern. Do have a lovely day. Bye.